Trying to choose between vinyl siding and James Hardie fiber cement siding, but you're not too sure what's worth the cost. Worried you'll regret the decision 5 years down the road? In this video, we'll compare vinyl and Hardie board from cost and durability to appearance and maintenance so you can make the right choice for your home. You'll hear from a contractor who's installed both on hundreds of homes and give you the straight facts on which one holds up best in Indiana weather. So the primary differences between vinyl siding and James Hardie siding is James Hardie is a fiber cement product, vinyl siding is a vinyl PVC product. The James Hardie fiber cement siding is going to be a lot more thicker than your typical vinyl siding will be. It does hold up to the elements a lot better just because of the thickness of that James Hardie siding. Vinyl siding, one thing you do got to worry about is if you're mowing the grass or any debris falls, you do run the chance of it nicking or puncturing a hole in that vinyl siding, whereas a James Hardie fiber cement siding, don't have to really worry about that as much as you do with a vinyl siding product. So the longevity between vinyl siding versus James Hardie siding, you can see vinyl siding lasting anywhere from 20 to 40 years, whereas a James Hardie fiber cement product lasting anywhere from 30 to 50 years. Now, one thing to keep in mind is with James Hardie, there is a little bit more maintenance that you got to keep in mind when it comes to the fiber cement product, because with the James Hardie fiber cement siding, you got to make sure that you touch up the paint, because that fiber cement, it is porous, making sure that none of this true fiber cement is showing and potentially absorbing any water is extremely important to make sure that you get the most out of your James Hardie siding. With vinyl siding, you don't really have to worry about that at all, as it is a plastic product. Now, one thing to keep in mind with vinyl is over time, let's say 15, 20 years down the road, the vinyl does become awfully brittle. With time, it gets much weaker, so it's more prone to damage. With vinyl siding, you got to be careful because it does fade over time. It may be 25, 30 years down the road, but that is one thing that James Hardie won't do, is it won't fade with time, such as your vinyl siding will. When it comes to cost differences between vinyl and fiber cement siding, is the fiber cement siding is going to be quite a bit more than a typical vinyl siding job would be. On a standard house, you can see vinyl siding being anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000, whereas a James Hardie siding product would be anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000 on that same size house. So it is quite a bit more expensive. It is just up to you whether or not you want to spend that extra money to get that extra life out of the siding. When it comes to curb appeal between vinyl siding and James Hardie siding, it does depend on what vinyl accessories you install and what profile of siding you install. But with James Hardie, you're going to get more of a robust look because you're going to have a lot more trim pieces in certain areas versus a standard vinyl siding job. So with the James Hardie siding, your standard exposure for your vinyl siding is about 7 inches, whereas a vinyl siding product, your standard exposure is about 8 or 10 inches wide, but those are going to be coming in 2 individual laps, whereas James Hardie siding is just one piece of straight lap siding. In my experience, my customers have preferred the James Hardie curb appeal over a typical vinyl siding curb appeal. It's just a matter of whether or not they want to spend that additional cost to get that curb appeal that they want, or to get the longevity, the life that James Hardie fiber cement offers. One common misconception that I get with vinyl siding is that, all vinyl siding is the same, where it's not. You do have quite a few different options when it comes to vinyl siding, such as different profiles, the thickness of the vinyl siding panel. I see, at least in my experience, that if a homeowner wants vinyl siding, they really think there's only just one product that you can choose with vinyl siding, whereas there are quite a few different options that you can choose from with vinyl siding. So the one I typically recommend to homeowners is it just depends on the homeowner's circumstance. If they just want something, they want new siding put on, but they don't want to spend the additional cost. Maybe they're thinking about selling in a year or two, but they need new siding. Vinyl siding is definitely going to be the best route for them. However, if it is a homeowner who found their forever home, they're looking at adding new siding, they're willing to spend that additional cost for James Hardie, then James Hardie would be something that I would suggest for them. Your siding isn't just about looks. It impacts the long-term value of your home and helps protect your home against the elements. Now you know the differences between vinyl siding and James Hardie siding, what they cost, how they perform, and which one may be best for your home. If you want a free quote or trying to figure out which one may be best for your home, please give Hoel Roofing a call at 765-561-4023. We're happy to help you make the best decision for you.